to Tax Tip Thursday, brought to you by Intention Enterprises. This week we're going to switch topics slightly. I want to talk about compliance, everybody's favorite subject, right? But specifically I'll focus on how to maintain your business compliance in Florida because that's where I live. There are a few things that are similar across most states, but the specifics are going to vary from state to state. So we're just going to focus right now on the Florida business compliance and maintenance requirements because folks, deadlines are approaching for us here in Florida, and I wanted to make sure that I kept you guys up to speed. The first thing is our annual report filing, right? And that's due May 1st each year. It's filed with the Florida Department of State, which we call here Sunbiz. And remember, like everything else, there's a penalty if you're late. So failure to file will get you a $400 penalty for LLCs and corporations. The second thing is a registered agent maintenance. Now, if you have a business here in Florida and you live here, you can serve as your own registered agent. However, if you don't live here and you have a Florida business, you must have a registered agent. The next thing, number 3, is state and local business licenses. They're usually industry specific, and in many counties they are required. This is what we call down here our business tax receipt, or a BTR, and usually your county and your city also requires them. The next thing of compliance is tax compliance. State sales tax. We have to pay our sales tax on goods if you are selling them. Reemployment tax is required with businesses that have employees. You have to pay a reemployment tax. And our corporate income tax, which is our C Corps, have to file their returns with the Florida Department of Revenue. Maintaining business records in Florida is required for corporations and LLCs. And what does that mean? Your bylaws, meeting minutes, and financial statements, they require you to maintain them and have copies at the ready. Businesses with employees must comply with payroll tax laws, workers' compensation laws, and labor laws. So the question is, are these requirements similar across the U.S.? Yes. Most states have similar requirements, though the specifics are going to vary, right? So annual report deadlines are going to vary from state to state. How much they cost will vary from state to state as well. Some states charge a franchise taxes. So you have to check your state to see if you have to pay franchise taxes. And certain states do not require a business to even have a license, while others, as we know, are very strict. Sales tax rules also vary from state to state. I believe there's one state out there that does not have sales tax. And last but not least, things to stay the most compliant about, folks, y'all, is paying your taxes. Okay, these taxes have to get paid. If you're an S Corp, they were due March 15th. If you're any other type of entity, it's due April 15th. If you're not going to make the deadline, file an extension. That's it. So if you found this helpful, remember to like, share, save, comment, and follow me on YouTube at Intention LLC.